My name's Janine, and I'm building a 1979 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. And this is my current vinyl roof. I did this roof about 2 years ago when I bought the car. And I think it turned out pretty decent considering I don't do these very often. But I have plans for this car, which involves a color change, so this roof has got to go. If you're interested in the video of how I removed my roof trim, check out the link in the description. Short person problems. Here we go. It does feel a bit strange peeling off this vinyl top because it's fairly new and I think it looks pretty good still. But to be honest, I was never a fan of the color. I don't care for blue and I don't care for gray or silver. And this is kind of both colors. I certainly didn't skimp on the glue when I did this last time. Although I'm a little concerned about the foam coming off. I have a feeling that will be a bit of a challenge. Oh yeah, I'm on a roll now. This oddly makes me feel better. I felt kind of bad taking this roof off because it looked decent, but as it turns out, the vinyl was on its way out anyways. Although it was a good test of using seating vinyl on my roof, exposing it to all the elements. I guess that's why you're not supposed to use it. Oh dear, this is going to require more coffee. This is the original roof, old, cracked, and faded. And this is the foam that was underneath that roof. And this is the tool that I should be using right now, but I opted for the hand tool. '79 Coupe DeVille vinyl top kit for sale. Includes foam. I am entertaining the idea of painting my roof instead of replacing the vinyl top, so my next step is glue removal. And for that, I'm using mineral spirits and some elbow grease in the form of this. This is a painfully slow process. Oh yes, this will be an improvement. I have been using this and burning through batteries like crazy for like the whole weekend, it seems like. And I could have just used that. What was I thinking? This is what it looks like with all of the vinyl and the foam removed. Well, most of it anyways. Some of it will probably require some sanding. And the paint's pretty thin on the roof, but overall it's in really good condition. Sometimes the bottom down here gets rusty from water collecting and sitting in the old vinyl and foam, but this car seems to be in great shape. And the seams in the roof here are in great condition on both sides of the car. And they're reasonably flat considering they're not bodywork hardly at all. Pretty decent. I haven't decided yet if these side emblems will be going back on. I do know that these need to come off. These 3 window trim pieces all need to be modified so I can paint them. Hey, look at that now, would ya? It's off. And it's plastic. Very thin and seemingly a bit fragile, so I will have to be extremely careful with these. I'm really hoping I don't slip and break any windows with this drill, but I also know if I do break a window, now is the time to replace it, because once these are molded in and painted, it'll be a pain in the butt to replace a window. So my vinyl roof is officially deleted. The corner of this one is broken, but it does need to get trimmed down a bit smaller, so that shouldn't be a problem. Lots of dirt. I guess my next step is to bust out the vacuum and clean up my mess and make another mess with some bodywork on these panels and the rest of my car. Thanks for watching!